to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a huge Amazon decor haul. So as you guys know, a few months ago got a new place and I've been meaning to decorate it for a while. So I ordered all of these things way before the lockdown. So they've been just sitting here and I'm just so excited to finally be able to share all of these things with you guys. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. By the way, you guys keep asking for a house tour. That is gonna take a couple of months for sure, but I do have an empty house tour of this place, so I'm gonna make sure to link that in the description box below. But let's get started with the products that I ordered from Amazon. I'm gonna start off by talking about the products that I ordered specifically for this room. So this is my bedroom, and the theme of this room is more so white with a lot of jute elements, camel tones, and a lot of greenery. So that's the tone that I'm going for right now. So I ordered a couple of jute rugs. So the first jute rug that I ordered is this huge 7 feet rug. It's actually a really good quality rug. I think it was for 5,000 rupees, but then I got it personally for I think 1,500. It was on a sale, so I really got a great deal. So as you can see, I do have a floor bed, so I like to use that rug underneath my bed. It peeks out a little bit from each side, and I just overall really like the quality and the color as well of the fabric, the jute. This is what the big rug looks like. It's 7 foot long. I do have chatai niche because I'm just so Indian. I have to put something niche to protect the rug. So I'm going to be putting my mattress on top of this. But here's a close-up of the texture. So before I picked up this huge rug, I picked up this rectangular rug from the same brand. Again, great quality, great color, really like it. I don't know yet where I'm going to be placing it, but abhi hai, dekhte hain kya karenge uske sath. By the way guys, don't worry, I'm going to make sure to link all the products that I'm talking about in the description box below, of course. Next thing that I ordered for this room is this wooden clothing rack. So I had ordered one from Club Factory quite a while ago, but I thought I wanted one more. So I got this one from Amazon. If you've seen my recent vlog, you might have seen Aditya and me building it together. It was very easy. It comes dismantled, so you have to assemble the whole thing. It's very easy, but it doesn't come with an instruction manual, that's for sure. But बहुत ही straightforward. You just refer the picture on Amazon and you just like place it all together. It took us around 20 minutes to build it, so not bad. It's good quality, like it's good enough for the price you pay. So to go along with this wooden rack, I also ordered I think 50 wooden hangers. Again, I got a great deal. It was on a sale, and by the way, all of these products are always on a sale. I got these like 3-4 months ago, and abhi bhi when I go back and check them, they are still like on a sale. Of course, kabhi kabhi 35% hota hai, kabhi 50% bhi ho jata hai. So you have to keep like checking it. Make sure to add it to your kya bolte hai, wish list, and then like keep checking it every 2 days. Coming back to the wooden hangers, very good quality, and the reason why I picked wooden hangers is because it would just like go more with the aesthetic. I do own quite a few plastic hangers. I could have used those. I think I'll just use those for the cupboards to keep them inside, but since ye display pe hoga, I thought I should get really pretty ones. The next thing that I got is a pair of curtains, plain white basic curtains. I initially did get them thinking that I'm gonna hang them up in my bedroom. Now, other than these 3 huge ass windows, there's also one more window over there. So I thought uske liye main le leti hu, but I'm still like contemplating if I want to put them here or in the living room. We'll see, but really good quality, plain white curtains, very cheap. They also have a bunch of different colors, so if you don't like white, they also have like a yellow, a blue, and they actually have a lot of colors. So definitely check out the link. There are quite a few options to choose from. Okay, so the next item is very exciting. I haven't received it yet, but the reason why I thought I would still talk about it is because my cousin sister actually got it, and I saw it at her place, and I was like, oh my god, I need to have it in my life. It's a huge bean bag, but it's not just a bean bag, it's a fur bean bag, and that too in like a white color. It literally ticks off all the criterias. I love the way it looked. She had it for like almost a year. When I saw it, I think a year, but at least 6 months तो हो गया था for sure. And तो भी गंदा नहीं हुआ था, and she's quite clumsy. So I was quite surprised ki if she is able to maintain and take care of a plain white fur beanbag, it's not going to be too bad. It hasn't arrived yet, but I'm going to make sure to insert the clip. So this is what the beanbag looks like right now. I know it doesn't look very great, but it's because it doesn't have enough beans. I used 3 kg worth of beans, but I think that isn't enough. I've ordered 2 more beans ka packet, so I'm just hoping that's going to be enough. But this is just the texture. It's very soft and very well made. Another thing that I ordered isn't like a decor piece as such, but I've been meaning to get it for a while, and I've been researching on it for so long. I've seen it all over Pinterest, but India mein nahi mil raha tha as such, but I finally found it on Amazon. It's a projector, star projector for like the ceiling. So at night when you're trying to fall asleep, or honestly whenever, like evening ke baad, you can like project it on the ceiling or even on your walls. It looks very very pretty. It comes with a few different settings, so like काफी trippy colors भी आते हैं, जैसे red है, green है, blue है, but I like to stick to just like the warm yellow. Looks very very pretty. Next up, I have some knobs for the living room. When you think of like knobs, it's like, yeah, they're knobs, like who really cares? But no, you have to check these out. They are one of the most beautiful knobs that I found. I have these beautiful green, emerald green couches for my living room, so I thought I would get these for the cabinets that are there in the living room, so that they would like match perfectly. And they also have this beautiful golden detailing on the edges. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. It's made of this agate crystal rock, I think that's how you say it, but either ways they're so pretty. Oh my god, please check this out. Even if you don't want to buy it, just like go on the link and just have a look at them. They're too beautiful. The next decor piece as well, I'm really obsessed with. It's so beautiful, and it's also supposed to kind of help with positivity and just like really make your space more zen, I guess that's the word. So Aditya has it at his place, and I've been meaning to get it for so long, and I was like, let's just get it for the new place. So it lights up to this beautiful orange sort of a color, and it's made up of salt. So you do have to keep like a tray niche because the salt will melt eventually, but I just love how aesthetic it looks, of course, but at the same time it's helps with positivity, I guess. Next decor piece that I picked up is this transparent frame with like golden edges. I do really enjoy golden accents, as you can see, and as you can see, oops, from the knob, thank god I didn't break it. I just got one to start off with, but since I know it's really nice, good quality, I'm gonna get 1 or 2 more of these. So kaisa hai na ye photo frame mein, you can open it and you can put stuff in here like between, and I'm thinking of putting like a leaf, like getting like actual like leaves to put them in here. You could even put flowers. I think that would be beautiful. You just like squish it in between and you can hang them. Another decor piece that I got that has beautiful gold detailing is this transparent tray. So I was thinking I'll just leave it on top of my vanity, and I could keep like a couple of brushes or like my makeup products, and it would just look more organized and aesthetic. It's great quality, and I really like the gold. Usually the thing with buying stuff online is you can't really tell the shade of golden, and I'm very specific about like the shade of golden. It can't be too bronzy, it can't be too like jhatak golden also, and I'm just glad that this one is the perfect one. So the next product is a repurchase. I got these silk cushion covers. I use them still every single day. They're great for your hair, for your skin, and they look very luxurious because they're silk, right? They're not real silk, of course, fake silk. So I had to get them for this place also. I am still going with like a white aesthetic, so I did place an order for again 2 white silk pillow covers, but if that's not your vibe, again they do have a bunch of different colors to choose from. The next product is super random. I'm gonna stick these in my wardrobe. So the wardrobes that I have back at my parents' place, what happens is when you open them, the light like switches on its own. That's not the case here, so I was like, let's just like get like a jugadu product that's gonna mimic the look of that. So I got these press on lights, so you can like press on it and it lights up, and then you press on it again and it switches off. And it also has like a tape thing at the back, so you can actually stick it on ceiling of your wardrobes. So yeah, I got a pack of 3. They do work. I was really skeptical ki chalenge ki nahi chalenge, but chalte hai. So I also wanted to show you a few things that came in after I filmed the haul. So this is a planter. It has golden legs with like a white base. These planters come without like the fake plant in it. I just put it in obviously, but this is what it looks like. The left one is exactly
how it comes. Next, I ordered this mirror. It is a plastic base, and actually I ordered a silver color, but for some reason they sent me a golden, which is fine. It actually goes a little bit more with my theme. However, I'm not the biggest fan of the golden. It's like a very in your face golden, so I'll probably spray paint it, but it is a good purchase. Very like flimsy and plasticky, but it's pretty. If you're looking for fairy lights, look no further. Check out the description box. These are my favorite battery operated fairy lights. I have so many of these. They're really bright. They don't look very pretty right now on camera, but trust me, they are really good.
We're coming towards the tail end of the video, and the last two products, not four, two products that I have to share with you guys are huge, like furniture pieces. The first one being a TV console unit. I think you guys might have seen it in the past. Again, Aditya and I built it together. Mainly he built it. I just was like an assistant, wasn't doing much. But again, I was very scared कि कितना अच्छा होगा. Picture में it looked very pretty. Thankfully, it was really good quality, and for the price, I think it's a great steal. I think it's for like 5,000 rupees MRP, but again, I got it at a great deal of 2,500 rupees, so that's almost 50% off, and I think it's a steal, honestly. And the last piece of like furniture that I got was this center table. It's a round center table with golden accents to it. I do really like the center table. I like the way it looks. However, as I mentioned earlier, I'm very anal about my gold tones, and it's very bronzy. So what I'm just gonna do is I'm gonna paint it myself. I might do the same thing with the टीवी काउंसिल के एक्सेंट्स ऑल्सो, जो नीचे का बेस है और फ्रेम है, उसको मैं मोस्ट प्रोबेबली खुद पेंट करूंगी. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड. आई माइट जस्ट डू इट इन एन अपकमिंग व्लॉग. एंड या, दैट्स इट फॉर टुडेज वीडियो. आई रियली होप यू गाइज एंजॉयड वाचिंग टुडेज वीडियो. Don't worry, of course, I'm going to make sure to link all the products in the description box below. So this is what today's giveaway looks like. In order to win, all you need to do is subscribe to my channel, like this video, follow me on my Instagram, follow Simbaa Lifestyle, and tag 3 friends on my latest Instagram post. I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye!